How to create projects in ElevenLabs.io. So we are on the main website. In the text to speech, we will go to workflows and choose projects. Right here, you can choose a scratch, start from the scratch. You will choose a model and quality. After that, you will just create on create. And right here, you have a project which can be used on different texts. The basic or the amazing thing is that you can use more than 5,000 characters. Yeah, so you don't have to be worried about put it or some limitations. If you want to change voice, you can do it just over here on the right side. You can choose from different voices and apply them. So if you want to type something, for example, hello, how are you? And right now I'm typing in this voice. If, for example, just copy it, do it over here, I will just highlight it and apply this voice. So this is two different persons. So, and this sounds like this.
Hello, how are you?
Amazing. And this one,
Hello, how are you?
yeah. So you can choose a different options. You can choose also a different voices. So at all, it would be like this.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Yeah. Okay. You can also have different chapters. You can add chapters or delete them or remove them. That's it. And if you want to convert the whole chapter, you will just touch this button convert. And you can convert the project or just this chapter. If you click on the convert, it will take you to a different page. And you can convert the whole project over here or just the chapter over here and download it after that. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.